If you look at this question now, students, there is a data, okay, cos alpha plus 2 cos beta plus 3 cos gamma is equal to 0, sin alpha plus 2 sin beta plus 3 sin gamma is equal to 0, and alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to pi, which means alpha, beta, gamma are the angles of a triangle. This is the meaning of it. Now, what is this value is the question asked. What is this value is the question asked. So, let me say, let me consider, we can solve this problem easily using the concept of complex numbers. See here, I'll tell you one method. See this, let alpha is equal to, z1 is equal to cos alpha plus I sin alpha, which can be written as e to the power I alpha, right? E to the power I alpha. We have seen this in complex numbers also. Your theory should be rock solid, okay? Theory should be very, very strong. Only then we can attempt all the JEE questions easily. So similarly, z2 is equal to cos beta plus I sin beta. Z2 is equal to cos beta plus I sin beta. I can write e to the power I beta, and z3 is equal to cos gamma plus I sin gamma, that is equal to e to the power I gamma. Is it okay? Now if you see, what is the value of z1 plus z2 plus z3? If you see here, z1 plus z2 plus z3 will be equal to z1 plus z2 plus z3 will form cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma. So we'll see this is nothing but 2z2 and 3z3. Is it okay? So 2 cos beta plus I into 2 sin beta, So I can say 2 times e to the power I beta. This is 3 cos gamma plus I times 3 sin gamma. This is 3 into e to the power I gamma. Correct or not? So now I can say z1 plus 2z2 plus 3z3 can be written as z1 plus 2z2 plus 3z3 can be now written as z1 can be written as cos alpha plus 2 cos beta plus 3 cos gamma. Correct or not? 3 cos gamma. This is the real part of the complex number, plus I times cos alpha plus sin alpha, cos alpha I sin alpha plus 2 sin beta plus 3 sin gamma. Correct or not? Plus 3 sin gamma. So this part will be equal to 0 plus I into 0. So what is the answer that we get is z1 plus 2z2 plus 3z3 is equal to 0. z1 plus 2z2 plus 3z3, that is equal to 0. Now we know if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube should be equal to what? Should be equal to 3abc, right? Do you know this identity? How is it? If you don't know this identity, I'll show you here. See, now a plus b plus c is equal to 0. So I can write a plus b is equal to minus c cube on both sides, okay? Minus c the whole cube. So it is of the form a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, that is equal to minus c cube. So I can say a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b is minus c, that is equal to minus c cube. So I can say a cube plus b cube plus c cube. You get this minus c cube on the other side. You take this 3abc on the other side. So it's like this. So I can write now, that is z1 cube plus 2 times z2 cube plus 3 times z3 cube, that is equal to 3 times z1 into 2z2 into 3z3. Correct or not? Into 3z3. Yes. Now z1 cube will be equal to what? z1 cube will be equal to cos 3 alpha plus I sin 3 alpha by De Moivre's theorem. Is it not? Plus 8 times z2 cube. 2 cube is 8. 8 times z2 is nothing but cos of 3 beta plus I sin 3 beta. Is it right? I sin 3 beta. And plus 27 times 3 cube is 27 and cos 3 gamma plus I sin 3 gamma, I sin 3 gamma, that is equal to 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 times z1 into z2 into z3, z1 into z2 into z3, z1 into z2 into z3, is it right? z1 into z2 into z3. What happens when you multiply z1 into z2 into z3? You will get cos of alpha plus beta plus gamma plus I sin alpha plus beta plus gamma. So we can see now, what do we get now? Cos 3 alpha plus I sin 3 alpha plus 8 cos 3 beta, 8 cos 3 beta plus 8 I sin 3 beta, 3 beta plus 27 cos 3 gamma plus 27 I sin 3 gamma, sin 3 gamma, that is equal to 18 times z1 into z2 into z3. So z1 into z2 into z3 can be written as 18 times cos of alpha plus beta plus gamma plus I sin alpha plus beta plus gamma, correct? When you multiply the complex numbers, the argument or amplitude of the complex numbers will get added. So I can clearly say here cos of alpha plus beta plus gamma is pi from here, correct? So I can write, I'll write here all the real parts I'll put together. Cos 3 alpha plus 8 cos 3 beta, 8 cos 3 beta plus 27 cos 3 gamma plus I times sin 3 alpha plus 8 sin 3 alpha or 8 sin 3 beta plus 27 sin 3 gamma, that is equal to 18 into cos pi is nothing but minus 1 plus sin pi is 0, I into 0, correct or not? So your value here, question is asking for sin 3 alpha plus 8 sin 3 beta plus 27 sin 3 gamma. You compare the real and the imaginary parts. I can write minus 18 plus I into 0, right? I into 0. So real part will be equal to minus 18 and the imaginary part will be equal to, what is it? 0. So what is the answer to the question? Equal to 0 is the answer. This is a very important question, students.